the Maddyboo project.
And today we are making glow-in-the-dark glitter slime. And yeah, I'm using this pretty tealish color and she's using pink. So, yeah. We have all of our ingredients.
Yeah.
Baking soda,
Contact solution,
and spoons,
yeah.
knives. Yeah, we don't really need this stuff, just in case we make a noise.
Yeah.
I'm not sure we will, but still. So let's get on with the video.
So first things first, you wanna unscrew your lid.
Oh, wait. Make sure you go watch our mystery slime smitty. Those will be in the links below. And yeah, so as we were saying, unscrew it. There's a bubble in it.
Okay, just pour it in there. Whoa, I've never done one of like these containers.
Yeah, we've never really made this.
I just done
one.
Big.
Oh, and yeah, actually we have once, and that was on our slime versus squishies thing.
Go check that out.
Yeah.
It's in the description below.
We are with our friend Sawyer.
Okay.
I'm
I'm
waiting.
trying to add all of it.
Wait. Get in there. It's like hers is so right. Mine's like no. Mine's like
Our parents are just behind the background and like,
okay, this is taking
oh
forever now.
Those are really your childs? They're obsessed with slime. Kids or daughters. I'm gonna use this knife to get the rest out.
See if that helps any better.
It's just sticking to it.
Well, I'm gonna stop there and like. You know what? Never
Okay,
mind.
that will be the rest.
Yeah, we can just
Yeah.
put some activator in there, shake it up, and see what comes out.
No, I'm just gonna mix mine.
I'm just gonna mix it. See how
Look
pretty
at
it is.
mine.
Like, this feels like it's already slimy.
Yeah, it already.
Kinda.
It already looks like slime.
Okay, so this is my color.
So I think you want to use contact solution
This is
before
my
baking soda. So let's just put those in front of us.
Wait, I'm doing baking soda first.
I'm doing contact solution first, but I do not know. Wait, before you go in with your hands,
Make sure you
pour my baking soda in.
first. Because you add.
Yeah, because I didn't add any contact solution. Because it won't work.
Because you need to.
Then you only want to add a little bit of baking soda, not a lot, or it'll make it really hard.
It's not slime yet, but who cares?
No.
Okay.
First.
Okay,
And
you go
before
first.
you go in with your hands, put contact solution on your hands so it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
Sawyer taught us that.
Yeah, our friend Sawyer told us so it doesn't stick to your hand.
I'm just going to use a little at a
I
time.
don't know why I did that. I just went like.
It's getting together! Look at that!
I think that's
Look.
all you need.
I think I'm going to add a little bit more.
I feel like she already overactivated what she didn't. Like,
It's never going to be overactivated, girl.
more activated. Okay, that's enough.
That's so pretty. And I have a container. Let me go get it. A container of snow.
You're actually doing snow.
No, but I'm just. I have a container of snow, just in case. We made some snow this morning.
Yeah, we made some snow
Tons of
because we
snow.
were trying to make some clown slime, which that actually turned out pretty good. It's still like.
Oh no, that's still
so
glue. Mhm.
I think I might like use one hand.
Wait,
Where do I
first,
put this?
Do you want me to?
Yeah, a little. Okay, that's
add
good.
it in?
Where do I put this? Because I don't want Sarah's on to run out of something. There. Okay, that's got to go over there.
Okay.
There, put our
Going.
nice in there. So.
This looks so pretty.
Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Mine's so pretty.
I mean, what?
Oh my gosh.
Move your hand.
Yeah, let's get that out the way so you can actually see it. Whoa, this is like. Oh.
And before I go in with my hands, I'm gonna do a challenge. I don't even know what I'm saying. Before I go in with my hands, I'm gonna set y'all a challenge and subscribe in 5 seconds. Ready, set, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you smash that subscribe button. Now let's put our hands in this.
That was a weird countdown. I went like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Sissy. Only do one hand first because I'm also going to need you to put some more in for if it's still super sticky. Okay, so you're going to be my third hand. What? You are. So you're going to be helping me. Okay, can you please move my bowl? Wait, you know what? Whoa, I did it. Whoa, this is like so pretty. This is like a little sticky, but not too sticky. That bowl keeps falling down. Let's get one of those. I think I'm gonna move this baking soda because like it's in the way. We don't need it anymore.
This slime's stuck to the bowl. No,
it's not wanting to close. There we go. It's done. Oh my gosh. Okay, move that, move that, move that, move your phone. I'm gonna move this. Now we're good. Even though I didn't have to move that, I still wanted to. It's slime!
mine's not slime quite yet.
Oh, and don't keep watching because at the end of the video we're going to show you if it glows in the dark. So technically we're just waiting for her.
Oh. Just I'm such a slow slimer person. Trying to get this slime out of this bowl.
Can I put it on
Mommy,
the table?
can you help me?
Since it's not. Okay.
Oh God.
I just wanted to make sure it went.
I'm going to put this on the table. Is that okay? Wait, I should put contact solution on the table.
No.
Okay.
No.
Put more contact solution in there.
Yeah, put it in the bowl.
It's really good. It's just really sticky to this bowl.
Yeah, it's like hard to get it from out of like the sides like that. It's like you have to scratch.
I'm just going to break my bowl. I'm trying to do this. It's already broke, but I don't think it needs more contact solution. So good. This is probably one of my first slimes that I've made that is so good. I'm just kidding.
We've made like so much good slime.
But like it's from like
okay, this is actually gonna be our first glow in dark slime.
Yeah. I've never made glow in the dark slime.
I think I might try making a bubble.
Like this video if you love slime.
Yeah, and just like it because we want y'all to.
So it would just be
Make our day.
It will make our day.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Let's go to the bathroom to see if it glows.
Yeah, so we'll see when we get to the bathroom. It works!
Yeah! Glow in the dark slime. Woo!
Here's the slime.
Wow! I almost fell in the tub.
Oh, this is Boo with the blue slime. It's so sad.
What should I name it? Unicorn glower? Unicorn glower?
I think.
Well, how about y'all comment down below?
Well, what y'all want to call it? And
Yeah.
we want to give
A shout out
to
Kennedy Cardwell. Cardwell, right? Cardwell? Caldwell. Kennedy Caldwell from her All-Star softball team because she subscribed,
and commented on one of our videos.
So,
Yeah.
if you want to know
shout out, make sure you do the same.
Yep.
Wow. It's like, ooh. I love
And
it
press
so
the bell for notifications so you'll be
I
notified every time we post a video.
So we hope y'all actually saw the glow in the dark on film. And
so pretty.
so it works, and I'd recommend the glow in the dark.
And thank you, Kennedy, again for doing all the things you have done for us. And we are going to make our second slime, which will be fluffy slime. Yay!
So we're going to put this in a
Container. Uh-oh. Good thing that doesn't stick.
And go make sure you watch our another video, which we are making fluffy slime. We're both making fluffy slime.
And comment down below, who do you think won this challenge, glow in the dark challenge? And comment down below in the next video who won the fluffy challenge. And the next one,
clear.
for
Because
clear.
tonight we're just making so much slime.
So like, subscribe, and comment, and I love you guys. Bye. Thank you.